Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be showing you viewers a video tutorial of how I got this box braids done. People want to know what is box braids, and this is a specific type of box braid. It is the knotless box braid. Basically, from the research that I conducted, knotless braids or knotless box braids is simply braids that are basically braided without the knot at the bottom of the braids. The traditional braids we used to have in the past, guys, you know, when we get to the salon, they hold our hair so tight and create a knot at the bottom, and after that begin to braid, whether it's a box braid or a twist. So basically knotless, there is no knot at the bottom, and I recommend that 100%. I got my braids done yesterday, guys, and this is waist length braid. I used 3.5 packs of Janet's collection synthetic braids, hair extensions for braids. And guys, this is the medium braid. This is not a small braid, this is the medium braid, and I basically got my hair done by afrohairdressers.com. I will put a link in the description box down below. If you are the type of person that do not want to go to the salon and you're based in the United Kingdom, especially London to be precise, it's very easy. You sign up to the site, whatever you're looking for, whether it's a braid, they very specialize in braids, so I recommend the braids, and they will come to your house and do it. Price and how much did I pay for this braid? This braid, because it's a waist length, it cost me 120 British pounds sterling. I know a lot of you viewers be like, that is expensive. Guys, I fixed my hair yesterday, and today, even yesterday, I felt like I've had the braids in for a month. I did not feel any sort of pain. The pain you get when you first braid your hair. Viewers, look at the way I was literally showing my styles of ways of styling your box braids at the beginning of the video. Look at how I was maneuvering around with my hair. Like, it was very easy. I braided my hair yesterday, and if it was something that was difficult or it was tight, I wouldn't be able to do that. So I just wanted to recommend this and also have a tutorial of how I got this box braids done, and I'll leave all the info in the description box down below. Afrohairdressers.com. if you are interested, check them out. And also I will let you viewers know more as the weeks go by how long this is lasting. I am actually planning to have this braids in for 6 weeks, and I know it will really last that long. And the knotless braids, viewers, that is the way forward. Never do the traditional braid whereby they do the knots at the bottom, then they braid the hair. Stick with knotless braids. Your edges will grow back, because I've been trying to grow back my edges and it is working. I will do a video about my edges pretty soon, and I could actually do a ponytail now. So hope you viewers did enjoy this video. Stay tuned, the video tutorial, and I'll see you viewers in my next video.